This video is going to be a review and setup of the Teckin Smart Light. It's an LED light. It's an E27 base. I believe it's 60 watt equivalent. It's like a 13 watt bulb. Switches colors red, green, blue, which is going to be awesome. I've got some other table lamps and floor lamps from Teckin. Really good company, very good products. So why do I like the Teckin lamp? They're very easy to use. I like that you can have a high-tech house where you can control this from Alexa, from your cell phone, from the Smart Life app, and the Smart Life app is really easy to install and to set up. It's very easy. The lamp comes with instructions. The instructions are so detailed that it's not even worth my time to go through it, setting it up on your smartphone. All you need to do is install the Smart Life app. They show you how to install the Smart Life app, how to get it working with your bulb, how to get it working with Alexa, how to get Smart Life app connected to Alexa. They walk you through all the steps, but I'm going to show you how the lamp works. That's the important part of the video. To sync up these bulbs with the app, you need to get them in the sync up stage, which means the bulb needs to be doing a fast flash, needs to be flickering on and off. The way to do that is you turn on the light. If the bulb over here is not flashing on and off very quickly, you will turn the light on, on in a quick pace so that you will activate the quick flashing. See, the light is on now. There, oh, okay, see the flashing? That means it's waiting for the connection to the Smart app. Once you have the Smart Life app installed, it's very easy to set up. I'm blocking my phone number, which is at the top of the screen. And all you're going to do is you're going to click on all devices, which we have over here. It's highlighted. And then I'm going to look for light bulb or light. These are the, you can see over here, these are the things that I've already got installed. So I'm going to move over here to the plus, which is in the right hand corner, and I'm going to click on that. And now I'm going to look for light bulb or lamps or lights. I am going to click on lighting and see what we get over here. We have a picture of a light bulb and it says lighting. Add device. So we have add device, confirm that the light is blinking. Oh my gosh, you can see the light just came on? Check that out. Confirm that the light is blinking. The light just went full, so it's already connected. But I'm going to click on it's blinking. Enter the password. I've already got my password set up in there. I'm going to do a confirm. And let me block this in case my phone number is going to show up connecting. It's already, the light's already full, but we need to do the connection, the full connection to the app, and it takes just a few seconds, and we're almost there. So I'm going to leave a link in the description of the video for the Teckin light bulb, and I'm going to show you what it looks like in a minute, but I'll leave a link in there. So click on the link, you can order it, it will be easy for you to buy, it will help me out if you click on that link. You get a really cool product. The company is really nice, very nice. I've got a lamp in my loft, a couple in my living room, one on my kitchen counter. And just for your, if you have to deal with this, if it doesn't connect and the light stopped flashing, which mine did, it might have gone out of connection mode, and if that's true, I might not connect here. If it goes out of connection mode, just turn the light off, on, and get it back in the connecting mode, the sync mode, and then go through this process all over again. And that is it. Did not connect. So we're going to go in and make the light flash on and off again. Okay, I got the light flashing on again. I'm going to go over to light. I'm going to do this really fast. I was going too slowly before, and that's why it probably failed, because it went out of sync mode. You should be able to see the light over here. It's flashing on and off in the background, and we should be able to connect in a short amount of time. And then I'll show you what the light looks like. There it is. See that message at the top?
And you can control it by saying, turn off smart bulb.
And what you hear in the background, that was my Alexa talking. So it's called Smart Bulb. I'm going to leave it that way for now. If you want to click on the the pen over there, you can edit it and change the bulb, but let's just leave it at smart bulb. So what do we have over here? There's smart bulb, and you see this is the icon. You're going to be able to see the light in the background. I'm going to press this, and the light should go off, which it did, and I'll turn it on again, and we turn it off. Now, if you have Alexa on your phone, you can use Alexa. You just have to do the connection and then press the Alexa button and talk. I have an echo in the background, so I'm going to say, Alexa, turn off smart bulb.
Okay.
And she said, okay, we're going to do that so you can see it. Alexa, turn on smart bulb. Alexa, turn on smart bulb.
Okay.
Alexa's way, way, way in the other room, so. Alexa, turn off smart bulb.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on smart bulb.
Okay.
Now, I don't know what the coloring code words are for this. Alexa, smart bulb blue.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, look at this. I am just so impressed. I'm excited. Alexa, smart bulb red. Alexa, smart bulb red.
Okay.
Look at this. Can you believe this, people? This is absolutely incredible. Alexa, smart bulb green.
Okay.
Whoa, I'm thrilled. Now I want to show you what's going on with the cell phone. So it's green because I said green. Alexa, smart bulb red.
Okay.
Alexa, smart bulb blue.
Okay.
Now we have some other settings down here. I'm not really sure what these are. We have white mode. So let's go click on white. Oh my gosh, can you believe this bulb? So we've got a brightness. I want to try something. Alexa, smart bulb 80%.
Okay.
Can you believe it? Check this out. Alexa, smart bulb 20%. Alexa, smart bulb 20%.
Okay.
This is just an incredible product. Look at this, people. The reason I'm talking loud is, like I said, she's in the back room, in another room. And so it says 20% over there. I'm going to slide this up. And in the background, you're going to see the light get brighter, and you're going to see this get brighter. Now we have a color temperature. I can't remember what the range is for this thing, like 3,000 to 7,000 or something. I'm not really sure. So we should be able to go from a white light to a yellowish light. Unbelievable. Look at this. So we're at kind of a yellowish light, and I'm going to scroll across, and it gets to a bright light. So you can go from a yellow, old, warm light bulb color to a very bright daylight color. So you've got not only brightness, but you also have the color temperature of the bulb, and you can also turn the bulb on or off. And we have there's a schedule over there. You can program it when you want the bulb to go on and off. And we have the schedule, and we have the scene. What is the scene mode? I don't know what scene. Oh my gosh, I just don't believe this. So we've got different scenes. We've got night. We have read. We have a meeting. This is just amazing. What else is on here? We've got soft, rainbow, shine, gorgeous, leisure. So I'm going to show you the bulb. I want to show you what it's doing as I switch these different settings. So we're on night, read, meeting, leisure, soft. What does rainbow do? Rainbow, does it switch colors? Check this out. Just incredible. What does shine do? Shine goes red, off, red, off. What is gorgeous? Oh my gosh, they aren't kidding. Look at that. All right, so there's one last setting that I want to go to. Let's see if I can get to that. I don't know how I get to that. Let me turn the bulb off. Then I'm going to turn the bulb on again. And let me show you what I'm going to do here. I'm going to turn the thing back on, and I'm going to go to color mode. Wow, I'm just speechless. So we've got the brightness, which we've already looked at before. And brightness is not moving now. There it is, bright. Okay, so we have brightness and we have saturation. And we also have the color wheel. So what I want to do is show you what this looks like. We have brightness all the way down, and I'm going to go brightness all the way up. We have saturation, which is all the way up, and I'm going to go all the way down now with saturation. Oh, I pressed the wrong button. That's saturation. Let's go. That's full saturation. Now let's look at the color wheel. We're at blue, and we're at purple, going to a red or like a pinkish, yellow, wow. It's orange type color, and we're going to be on the green part of the wheel in a minute. Darker green, and we are going to the light blues and to the dark blues. And just so you can see what I was doing, sorry about that light reflection in the background, I was doing these, I was sliding these across, I was sliding saturation across, and right now we're in blue, you can see it, oh, let's get back, we're in blue, and then I was going around to purple, orange, yellow, green, blue, dark blue. So this, my friends, is the Teckin light bulb, and you've got to buy one of these things. Just absolutely incredible how wonderful this product is. It's their smart light bulb, LED, RGB, red, green, blue, color changing. It works on an E27 socket. I believe it is a 60 watt equivalent. Might be 100 watt, I'm not sure. It's a 13 watt LED bulb. Buy one in a package, and you probably want to buy a bunch of these so you can put them in all the rooms in your house. Set it up with Alexa, with Echo, with your Dot, with your cell phone, with the Smart Life app, and you're going to have different colors in every room. It's going to be beautiful.